Dear students, until yesterday we have discussed the trigonometry issues chapter, module 2 classwork and synapse also have discussed. Now today we are going to discuss about the sums in level 2 classwork, that is from 12th question onwards we are starting today. Let us see the not 12th question here, 9th question is there. From 9th question onwards we should discuss now. If x is equal to a cos square theta sin theta, if x is equal to a cos square theta sin theta comma y is equal to a sin square theta cos theta, y is equal to a sin square theta comma cos theta, then what is the value of x square plus y square whole cube by x square y square? You should calculate the value regarding the concept of here sin square theta and cos square. I said that put shortcut is there. This is the amplitude. That is why simply we are putting shortcuts. Whenever a sin and cos both are there, in denominator also x square y square is there. That is, we should not put cos, because if you put cos 90 degrees, denominator becomes 0. So simply put theta is equal to 45 and get the values. Put shortcut. Put theta is equal to 45. Students, without shortcut also you will get sum, but it becomes lengthy. This becomes easy. What is the value of cos 45? It is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 half square. 1 by root 2 whole square becomes 1 by 2. And this is, here you can understand, this is 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 whole square into 1 by root 2 like this. In the similar way, that is here, a is there. In the similar way, this one also you can understand, a into 1 by root 2 whole square into 1 by root 2. So x we can understand as x is equal to a by 2 root 2, because root 2 whole square becomes 2. X is equal to a by 2 root 2 and y is also a by 2 root 2. Now substitute these values in x square plus y square whole cube. That implies substitute like this. Here I am writing directly x square, meaning here a square by 8, because a square by 2 root 2 whole square, plus here also a square by 8. Total whole cube is there, whole by x square y square. So a square by 8 into a square by 8 is there. A square by 8 into a square by 8. Here a square by 8 plus a square by 8 becomes 2a square by 8. 2a square by 8 you can understand a square by 4 whole cube. Whole by, this is a power 4 by 8 8 the 64. Now write like this, a power 4, a power 6, because we are 6 by 4 cube meaning 64 into this fraction will be reversed like this. You can understand 64 by a power 4, 64 get cancel. This is a square. Their option is given as first option a, second option a square, third option a cube, fourth second option a cube, third option a square, fourth option a power 5. If you are having material, no need to write question answer. Don't write question, don't write option. Simply put the formula, get the answer in the way. Good. Next, a secant theta plus b tan equal to 1, that only. This is 10th question for you. A secant theta plus b tan theta. A secant theta plus b tan theta is equal to 1, comma a secant theta minus b tan theta is equal to 5. A secant theta minus b tan theta is equal to 5. That implies a square into b square plus 4 is equal to a square into b square plus 4. We should calculate the value here. 3b square, simply I am writing options. You don't know, no need to write, directly you can put tick mark. b square, 9b square, 3b square, 9b square, simple b square, 4b square. These are the options. Now, better to add these two letters, two terms. A secant theta plus b tan theta equal to 1. Add 2a secant. 2a secant theta is equal to 6. So, he is asking a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Okay. Now, a secant theta is equal to 3. A secant theta is equal to 3. Here a square is asking. Okay, keep aside, it will be useful. Let it be first equation and second equation. Now we added this one 1 plus 2. Now 1 minus 2 we can do. 1 minus 2. So what is 1 minus 2? Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. It becomes 2b tan theta. 1 minus 5 becomes minus 4. So b tan theta you can understand minus 2. B tan theta is equal to minus 2. Just wait for a while. If you are multiplying 1 into 2, AB secant theta tan theta. AB secant theta tan theta becomes 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 how much? Minus 6. AB into secant theta meaning 1 by cos theta, and this is sin theta by cos. Okay, let us see secant theta into. He is asking a square into b square plus 4. So b square separately. It is not in proper way. Here I am writing a square is equal to 3 by secant whole square. So a square is equal to secant square by secant square becomes cos square. Right like this. This is the 9 cos square theta. Instead of a square, you can write 9 cos square theta. Now, write like this. B square tan square theta is equal to b square plus 4 is asking. B square is equal to minus 2 by tan theta whole square. Minus 2 by tan theta whole square. So, 1 by tan becomes cot 4 cot square theta. You put angle. Okay, let us see. B square is equal to 4 cot square theta. Now, b square plus 4 I am writing. B square plus 4 can be understood as 4 cot square theta plus 4. Take 4 common and you can write 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to 4 cosecant square theta. Now, okay, what that? First year, sit here only. First year maybe is not start. Now, 4 cosecant, what he is asking? A square into b square plus 4. A square into b square plus 4. What is the value of a square? We have calculated here 9 cos square theta. 9 cos square theta into b square plus 4. How much we got? 4 cosec square theta. It can be understood as because 1 by cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. 9 4s are how much? 36. 36 into cos square by sin square becomes cot square. 36 cot square theta. So here there is any value. Cot simple. Okay. Just try to understand. You can understand this one as 9 into 4 cot square. Here 4 cot square theta indicates which one? B square. So 9 B square is 18 next. 9 B square option is there. Yeah. Maybe some became lengthy. If we put shortcut, but if I Did you put shortcut, girl? Okay, you write. I'll try. If it becomes easy, then put it data equal to 45. So like this, A into A becomes secant 45 value how much? Single root 2. So A root 2 equal to 3. A root 2 equal to 3 means A is equal to 3 by root 2. A we are getting. B, simply directly you can substitute. Cot 45 value 1. So B is equal to 1. Now what he is asking? A square into B square plus 4. A square means 9 by 4, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 into 5. Because B square is 1. 45 by 2. 9 B square you can get. You did not get. Maybe B tan, no, B tan equal to minus 2. B is equal to minus 2. Not B is equal to 1. Boy. Here B is equal to minus 2. Now minus 2 whole square plus 4 becomes 4 plus 4 becomes 8. This is 8. 4. We got 9B square. Okay, at last we write this one. Shortcut. So no need to do this one. After putting data equal to 45, this is shortcut. Better right. You don't write that because you are BPC girl, no? What is your name? Teja. Still? Teresa. Good. Physics sir is there. Physics sir and chemistry sir are available there. Hand in the class. Just after completion of that. Are you belong to BPC? Sir is hand in class. He is hand in for second year. Simply you sit here. This side of the girl. This side is not side this side. Just maintain some distance. Get it? There you sit. Students, this is objective, this is apart from IP. You have to maintain separate notes for objective. First year mathematics students, you have to maintain separate objective. For maths 1 year separate, for maths 1B separate, IB separate, like this. Okay? No need to fail. No need to feel about, sir, you should maintain separate notes. It will be finished off. So such objective teaching will be there. Right? Third. Next question. Tan A is equal to A tan B. Okay. Here 14% for us. For you, 11th question. Tan A is equal to, write the question. Tan A is equal to A tan B. Tan A is equal to A tan B and sin A is equal to B sin B. Sin A is equal to B sin B, that implies B square minus 1 by A square minus 1. So we have to calculate the value of B square minus 1 by A square minus 1. These are the options. To verify the options I am writing. Sin square A, sin cube A, cos square A and cos cube A. If you are taking theta is equal to 45, general shortcut is that theta equal to 90 when sin and cos arrives. Theta equal to 45 when tan, secant, cosecant, cot arrives. Now tan is there. If you are putting theta equal to 45, A is equal to 1. So whenever A is equal to 1, it becomes 0 denominator. You should not get it. Denominator 0. That is why don't put 45. So better to take different values. A is equal to 60, I am writing. B is equal to 30. So is there any rule, sir? No rule. 30 you put, 60 you put, 90 you should not put because infinity. So simply whatever the known values are there according to our trigonometric table of ratio table is known, that is why we are thinking 60 and 40, 30. Substitute here. So tan 60 value. Could you remember what is the value of tan 60? It is root 3. It is root 3 tan 60 value. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So A became 3 after cross multiplication here. Now sin A is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 and sin 30 value b by 2. 2 get cancelled. B is equal to root 3 we got. Substitute the value b square minus 1. Here we have to directly. What is the value of b square minus 1? What is the value of b square here? Root 3 whole square becomes 3. 3 minus 1 by a square meaning 3. 3 square meaning 9 minus 1. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. 9 minus 1 becomes 8. 2 by 8. 2 by 8 becomes 1 by 4. Now you can understand as 1 by 2 whole square. According to option, a is equal to, first of all here you observe a is equal to 60 we thought. Sin 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square 3 by 4. Here we got 1 by 2 whole square. So this is not correct option. Cube is not at all correct option. Cos square a, because cos 60 is 1 by 10 1 by 2 whole square. So cos square a is correct. Cos square a is equal to cos square 1 by 4. Verified third option. Good. Cos square theta by a is equal to sin square theta by b. Cos square theta by a is equal to sin square theta by b. Then cos power 4 theta by a plus sin power 4 theta by b is equal to how much? 1 by a plus b, 1 by a plus b whole square, 1 by a square plus b square, 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, and a plus b. Students, you write question simply, no need to write options. Cos and sin, both terms are there. So whenever cos and sin both terms are there, you should not, first try to understand, denominator should not get 0. That is why don't think theta equal to 90 or theta equal to 0. Cos and sin are equal in which degrees? At the bit 44. Simply put theta equal to 45, get shortcut. That's all. Put theta equal to 45. Put theta is equal to 45. So what is the value of cos square theta? Cos square 45 1 by 2. 1 by 2a is equal to 1 by 2b. Directly we can write a is equal to b. Because cos and sin are equal in the case of 45 degrees. So a is equal to b. Now we got a is equal to b. Here you substitute the value. Now cos power 4 theta by a plus sin power 4 theta by b is becoming as, what is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole power 4 you think. 1 by 4. 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by 4. Write like this. 1 by 4a plus 1 by 4a. So why did you write instead of b as a? Here we got a is equal to b. That is why 1 by 4a plus 1 by 4a. 1 by 4 you can take common. 1 by a plus 1 by b. If a is equal to 1, so option is 1 by 4, 1 by root 2 or 4. 1 by 4a plus 1 by 4. 15%. Option we see how much we have. Maybe somewhere mistake. This is 1 by 4. First option given. In your book guide, first option. 1 by a plus b only. 1 by a plus b meaning, what is the value of simply 1 by a? 1 by a plus b. 1 by a. So a is equal to b only. If, okay, another shortcut here. Another shortcut. Put for this one also a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. This is shortcut. So 1 by 4 into what will happen? 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. 1 plus 1, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 becomes 1 by 2. Now option 1 you see. Option 1 how much given? 1 by a plus b. A value how much you are thinking? 1. Why did you write 1 sir? Whenever theta equal 45, sin value equal, cos value equal, that is why equal values you can take. Not only 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, like any number you can handle. Now 1 by 1 plus 1, so 1 by 1. Apart from first option, is any other option satisfies? No. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. No other option is there. Only first option satisfies. You see options. Very good to understand. Second option, 1 by a plus b whole square, 1 by 4 you will get. It is wrong. Third option, simply 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 you will get. It is wrong. Fourth option, a plus b, it is 2. It is wrong. Only first option is right. Well, what you thought here, cos square theta by a is equal to sin square theta by b. Question is cos square theta by a is equal to sin square theta by b. Method, procedure I am saying, just pleasure. Procedure, what is the procedure, sir? Cos sin square theta taken this way. Cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to a by b. Cot square theta equal to a by b. Tan square theta equal to b by a. Tan theta equal to root b by a. According to that one, you have to calculate tan theta is equal to b by a. Is there no right angle triangle like this? This is b, this is a, this is a square plus b square. According to this one, find cos theta, find sin theta, power 4. You will get the answer. So it is not in better way. Okay. Now 16th question, very easy question by putting the shortcut. X a is equal to x cos square a plus y sin square. A is equal to x cos square a plus y sin square. That's all. Then x minus a into y minus a plus x minus y whole square into sin square a into cos square a is equal to that 0, 1, xy plus a square and xy minus a square. Whenever such questions are there, cos and sin, there is no y, I mean there is no denominator. Simply you put shortcut, a is equal to 0. 90 also a is equal to 0. A is equal to cos 0 becoming 1, sin 0 value 0, so no need to write. So a is equal to x. Simply substitute here. A is equal to x. What is asking? Whenever a is equal to x, x minus a or a minus x is becoming 0. Substitute this is 0. 0 into anything 0 plus sin 0 already we thought. Sin 0 0. So answer is 0. That's 17th one. Good. 7. I put numbers down. My numbers. Your number is 14. Your number is 14. Good. If a cos cube alpha plus that will be. Write the question. If a cos cube alpha plus 3a sin square alpha cos alpha. This is 3a cos alpha sin square alpha is equal to m. And next step, a sin cube alpha plus 3a cos square alpha into sin alpha is equal to n. Then we should calculate the value of m plus n whole power 2 by 3 plus m minus n whole power 2 by 3. m minus n whole power 2 by 3 is equal to dash. The options 2a square, first option, second option 2a power 1 by 3, third option 2a power 2 by 3, and fourth option 2a cube. Sin cos is there is no denominator, directly put 0. Put 0 shortcut. Put alpha is equal to 0. Here 0 shortcut meaning whatever the angle is in that. If it is theta, you should write theta equal to 0. If it is a, you should write a equal to 0. If it is alpha, you should write alpha equal to 0. Put alpha equal to 0 degrees here. Students, you should remember the values. Cos 0, 1. Sin 0, 0. So this no need this one. Simply m is equal to a we got. M is equal to a. N is equal to sin 0, 0, cos 0, 0. N is equal to 0. Now what is asking? M plus n. Now he is asking m plus n whole power 2 by 3 plus m minus n whole power 2 by 3. Instead of n 0 we got, instead of m a we got. So a plus 0 you can write a directly. It is becoming a power 2 by 3 and this is also a power 2 by 3. Add these two, we can understand this is 2a power 2 by 3. A power 2 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3 becomes 2a power 2 by 3. Next one, 18th one, cos power 4 alpha minus cos power 4 alpha minus sin 4 alpha is equal to, then 1 minus a by 1 plus a is dash. First one tan square alpha, third one cot square alpha, second one. This is minus tan square alpha and minus cot square alpha. Better to put shortcut. If it is not possible, then sum. Sum is also easy. Put alpha is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 0. Cos 0 value 1 no, sin 0 value 0, simply a is equal to 1. Substitute. 1 minus a by 1 plus a. 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 1. No, sorry. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. Value 0. That's all. What is the value of tan 0? 0. That's all. Cot 0 is 0. You may get it out, sir. Minus is also there, no, sir. Whenever 4 is there, it is indicated for even number. So there is no minus. Even though it is minus, minus becomes plus. Because cos power 4 alpha minus sin power 4 alpha, you can understand. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha meaning cos 2 alpha. Here 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. 1 minus cos 2 alpha formula 2 sin square alpha by 2 cos square alpha. 2 get cancelled, sin square by cos square become cancelled. No need to explain full everything, simply I am clarifying your doubt that there is no minus for 0. There is no minus 0 plus 0 separately, simply 0 tan 0 verified first option. Procedure also I said, could you observe? So Shanmukesh, procedure also I said normally. So without using shortcut, procedure also you can do. 19th one. For you, 16. A is equal to 1 plus sin x. A is equal to 1 plus sin x by 1 minus cos x plus sin x. That implies you should calculate the value 1 plus cos x plus sin x by 2 sin x. Did you bring the IP textbook? Did you bring the IP textbook? Open page number IP textbook. Page number 234. Page number 234, Roman number 3. Second one, 4. IP textbook. Page number 234, Roman number 3. Second one, 4. Read the question. What say? Read 2 sin theta by 1 plus 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta is equal to x. That implies find read 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Is there a relation between these two sums? You observe 1 minus cos theta 2 sin theta by इसको उल्टा करो 2 sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. So whatever the value is given x, इसको उल्टा करो 1 plus, understood? Instead of theta x is there. That's the I said there. Why I said the concept, I said that this is question in object is there, level 2 question, like that I pronounced the term while that class was going on. Now shortcut is there, no need to follow the proper way of IP model. Simply put theta is equal to 90. Theta is equal to 90. Student, just wait. What is the value is there? You see, answer you see. This one x is given. What is the answer? Open answer page. X only. So whatever the value be given, the value will get sure. The value itself is answer. So can you say what is the answer here? Yeah, that's all. We given the options. Not one. First option. A 1 by a square 1 by a square. Theta is equal to 90. That is why I am saying 1 plus sin 90, 1 plus 1 2 by 1 minus 0 plus 1 plus 1 2. That is equal to 1. Now that implies 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2, it is 1 directly. That is equal to directly this here. Option 1. Now 20th question. Eliminate theta directly. Given the question itself as eliminate theta. Eliminate theta from x is equal to 1 plus cot theta. X is equal to 1 plus tan theta, not cot. X is equal to 1 plus tan theta, comma y is equal to 2 plus cot theta. 2 plus cot theta. Better to read the options. According to options I am following, xy plus 1 is equal to x plus y, xy plus 2 is equal to 2x plus y, and third one xy plus 1 is equal to 2x plus y. Fourth one xy plus 1 is equal to 2y plus x. Tan cot both are there is no denominator. Simply put theta is equal to 45. Procedure is there, it becomes lengthy. Simply you put theta is equal to 45, then tan 45 becomes 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, x is equal to 2. And in the similar way, y is equal to 2 plus 40, cot 45, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Substitute the values x and y here. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 becomes 7. X plus y 2 plus 3 5. 7 equal to 5 is wrong. 2 3s are 6 plus 2. 8 is equal to 2 3s are 4 plus 3. 7 8 equal to 7 is wrong. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 equal to 2 3s are 4 plus 3 7. 7 equal to 7 is right. Option 2. Fourth option is also satisfying. 6. No. It is becoming 8. It is wrong. Only third option is correct. Hello sir. Good morning. Online and offline everything is good. Now 1 hour you 10 exact 10 o'clock. Exact 10 o'clock. You need 10. Yeah. No problem. 21. F of x is equal. F of x is equal. Sin square x plus cosecant square x. F of x is equal to sin square x plus cosecant square x. So then that implies we should calculate the value f of x less than 1, f of x is equal to 1, and f of 1 less than f of x less than 2, and the fourth one f of x greater than or equal to f of x greater than or equal to. Students, if you are having material, you see the page number 4, minimum maximum values are there. Boy, material is there. You see the minimum maximum values. Minimum maximum values. Page number 4. So what is the maximum value of sine? Of course, without observing values also you can see. Domain is there now in table. What is the minimum value? Minus 1, comma 1 is there. You observe. So sine minimum value is minus 1 and sine maximum value is 1. Cosec theta meaning 1 by sec theta. You see the domain of cosec theta, student? What is the domain of cosec theta? N by value total range. You see range means minus infinity minus. So it is so large value. Okay, minus infinity comma minus 1 to 1 comma infinity. Infinity means so large value. So you can understand. Sin x minimum value minus 1, maximum value 1 I said. He is discussing less than 1, less than 1, less than 1 concept. Less than 1 means minimum is equal to 1 is absolutely wrong because sin square x 1 plus large value. 1 plus large value means 1 plus may be put to get the value easily. I am putting the shortcut. X is equal to 90. What is the value of sin 90? 1. What is the value of cosec 90? It is also 1 because cosec theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is the minimum value. So whatever the function value is there, you will get a maximum. Minimum 2 students. Sir, why you are saying maximum, sir? Because cosec range is until infinity is there. Sir, minus is there, no sir, you can get doubt. Whenever square is there is no question of minus. That is why f of x minimum value to maximum anything. That is why you put this option. Greater than or equal to minimum to maximum, you cannot say any number. Maximum is so large. Second. So options we should take. Which is not positive? Which is not positive? First one. Sin theta is equal to 5 by 7. It is not right. Okay, is this sum is there or not there in your material? The sum is not there in the material. No problem, you write. What will happen? Nothing will happen. You write the question. Which is not possible. You read the concept. You learn the concept. Sin theta equal to 5 by 7. Cos theta is equal to 1 plus a square by 1 minus a square. Cos theta is equal to 1 plus a square by 1 minus a square. Mod a not equal to 1. And third one, tan theta is equal to 100. Tan theta is equal to 100. And the fourth one, secant theta is equal to 5 by 2. Secant theta is equal to 5 by 2. I said the range of sin theta is options you write now. You should write options. sin theta value, minimum value how much? -1. Maximum value 1. So what is the value of 5 by 7? Can you say? 0 point something. So is the value lie between minus and 1? So less than 1. So it is true. True. He is asking about not true, not possible. It is possible. So it is not our option. Cos theta equal to 1 plus s square by 1 minus s square. He is discussing mod a not equal to 1. Mod a means a plus to take. To take any positive number greater than 1. To take any value. Example 2, 3, anything. Okay, put a is equal to 2, I am writing. Now substitute here. What becomes 1 plus s square? 1 plus 4 by 1 minus 4. 1 plus 4 by 1 minus 4 value. How much? 5 by minus 3. So minus 5 by 3. Can you say the value? Minus 5 by 3. This is also formula minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. Students, range of cos theta also in your table is there. Range of cos theta also minus 1 comma 1. You should not. This becomes minus 1.66. It is wrong. We should not get, because minus 1 less, you should not get, 1 greater than, you should not get. So which is not possible? It is not possible. This is not possible. That's all. Tan theta equal to 100 is said. Students, tan theta range is infinity. Large value. 100 is nothing. Secant theta value already discussed. Minus infinity plus infinity. 1 should not get it. 2 by 5, 1.5, it is there. Yes, it's correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is not. So this is not possible. Option 2 is not possible. Girl, read your question. Okay. Theta equal to 11 pi by 6. Theta equal to 11 pi by 6. Then you should calculate the value of cos theta plus sin theta. That's all. No need to write option. There I am waiting. Students, 11 pi by 6 means 330 degrees. Pi by 6 meaning 30 degrees. Pi meaning 180. 180 by 6, 30. 11 into 30, 330. Now substitute the value cos 330 plus sin 330. Cos 330 can be understood as cos 360 minus 30. Cos of minus 30 becomes cos 30. So simply it becomes cos 30. Sin 330 means sin 360 minus 30. It is sin minus, because according to all similarity concept, sin is negative in fourth quadrant. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 and sin 30 value 1 by 2. Take LCM here, root 3 minus 1. This is the third option directly given. Next, the value of sin of that one, students. Good. Sin of n pi, sin of n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. N belongs to I. I meaning integer. First option 0, second option 1 by root 2, third option minus 1 by root 2, fourth option root 3 by 2. Whenever he given n is an integer, put any integer. So shortcut integer is 0. Put 0. Put n is equal to 0. This becomes 0. Minus 1 power 0 is 0. So it is simply sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 meaning sin 45. Sin 45 value 1 by 2. What is the time grade 10? What was that 10? Huh? 958. Okay, this is the last. You see the question. Say the question. If e power sin square, that only. E power sin square. Today this is last question. If e power sin square x, e power sin square x plus sin power 4x plus sin power 6x plus so on is equal to 8. Given the condition 0 less than x less than 5 by 2, then you should calculate the value of cos x by cos x plus sin x. cos x by cos x plus sin x. Options I am not writing, let us discuss. E power, given condition, e power sin square x plus sin power 4x plus so on, like this. Sin power 6x plus so on infinity. In yesterday class, I said that this is an infinite GP. How could you say it is GP? A particular number is multiplying. Sin square x started next to 2 into 2, like 2 2s are 2 3s are like that. So this is an infinite GP. This is an infinite GP. For an infinite GP, yesterday I said the formula. Did you remember? S infinity equal to dash. I said in your notebook, yes. A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. A meaning here first letter sin square. By 1 minus R meaning multiplying number is also sin square. You write here sin square x by 1 minus sin square. So this can be understood as sin square x by cos square x. Sin square x by cos square x becomes tan square x. How much given? Tan square x equal to 8 given. Tan square x is equal to 8. So tan x is equal to 2 root 2. No need to worry about plus or minus. 8. E power, wait. E power, just wait, it is not e power. E power, whole power log 2 is there, no? I did not forgot to write, just wait. Log 2, just wait, log 2 to the base. Now you should write e power tan square x into log. E power tan square x into log 2, this is equal to 8. Did you remember the formula? A power mn is equal to a power m whole power n. You can understand e power log 2 to the base e. If any base is not there, you should apply base e whole power tan square x is equal to 8. Students, the formula is there that whenever e is here, the base, same base you are taking, for logarithm this and this will be getting cancelled, you will get the value directly 2. Whatever the power is there, that one you get 2 power tan square x. Now that implies you can understand 2 power tan square x is equal to 2 cube. Sir, why did you write 2 cubes? Because 8. Whenever powers are, bases are equal, then powers are equal. Tan square x equal to 3. Tan x is equal to root 3. Tan x is equal to root 3 meaning for how many degrees? Tan x equal to root 3. 60. For x is equal to 60 degrees. Now to find out which one he given, cos x by cos x plus sin x. This is the main question. Very good, valuable question. What is the value of cos x? By cos 60 1 by 2 by cos 60 1 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2. 1 by right root 3 plus 1 because 2 got cancelled. 1 by root 3 plus 1 we got. Whenever 1 by root 3 plus 1 you got in denominator, you should not get value in roots. That is why simply I am rationalizing. Rationalizing meaning multiplying and dividing with opposite symbol of the denominator. So that is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. Because this is of the form a plus b minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 whole square minus 1 square, root 3 whole square becomes 3, 3 minus 1 becomes 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2, here it is option 3. Option 3, no, this is option 2. Okay, students, we have completed the trigonometry level 2, 25 bits. Let us going to discuss the trigonometry level 2 bits tomorrow class, and level 3 also let us discuss it tomorrow.